On our third morning in the country, we woke up in the same camping site that we spent the night before. If you do Milford Sound in a day and you don't have a place to stay inside the national park, it's only wise that you stay in Te Anau the night before and after your visit. We found Tasman Holiday Park to be a great option for that. It had the playground, the game room, laundry, spacious camp kitchen, barbecue facilities. But the thing I appreciated the most was their thoughtful garden that they grow veggies on for their guests. I found it very touching. Across most of the camping sites that we stayed at, we always found checkout hours to be a little bit cruel. You're supposed to leave most of the places by 10 a.m. We always checked out around 9:59. I guess it's because it took us a while to get used to the new time zone, and we always traveled until late. One thing that one of the staff at Tasman Holiday Park told me that morning did resonate with me further along as the trip progressed. So I was rushing to the shower block because my boys forgot their towels, and he stopped me and he said, "Hey, you're not supposed to run in Te Anau." I didn't pay much attention to that comment back then, but as we drove further along, I've noticed that lifestyle everywhere. You are not supposed to run anywhere in New Zealand. It's the way of living in the moment, not rushing towards the future. So I slowed down, and without towels, my boys stayed. Kidding. I ran to the shower block regardless, as we were late for our 9:59 a.m. checkout.
Ti prendono!
It's a lovely sunny day in New Zealand, and we find ourselves in the very south coast of the South Island. To
today we traveled all the way from Teanau to Fortrose, to the area of Catlins, and we just had lunch at the seaside with a lovely view, lots of sun, and most of all the dolphins swimming around, which was big luck, as we understood later on when one of the surfers came out of the water and asked us for the footage of the drone, and he said it never happened to him to surf around the dolphins. So even though they might be frequent to the area, I think you don't see them that often. And Andrea did spot them, so yay! And just overall the environment around was very lovely. There was some wind, there was some puddles to play for our little piggies. But we had to cut it short because we still have some stuff to see. Plenty of stuff to see. Let's see how much we can do. We are heading to Cathedral caves, which is this lovely rock formations, like a cave which leads you to the beach. It has a fee to pay, so I bet it's something beautiful. If not, I'm gonna record another video complaining about the Cathedral caves. Yay!
Marisa.
Cavallino dolce.
Si salta la macchia. Salta. Dai che ti fanno il video, dai. Salta bene. Maledetto.
Cosa maledetto?
Tu.
Come io?
Se non è